This is me. We're gonna give a test to this WindGallop air compressor here. So let's see. Looks like it has a flashlight that is incredibly bright. Also flashes, so that's neat. Alright, let's see. So this is the first time I've used it. It stretches really well. It's actually hanging out of my driver's side window. I'm gonna put that on, and my tire pressure should be 50. So we're gonna turn this on and turn it up to 50. And there it goes. There we go. There's a little helpful tip. Looks like it's better to place it on. Place it on, turn it on, and start the pressure. Okay, awesome. So it looks like that really did not take very long at all, about 1.5 minutes to get 4 pounds of pressure. Yeah, like I was saying, it's a little bit easier if you put it on, turn the machine on, and then clip it down to secure it. Otherwise it made that little silly noise, but I didn't read the instructions first, so that's on me. Looks like a really great piece, and I'm excited to use it lots of times.